Welcome back to another Chem 2303 lab experiment primer video. Preparing solid samples for analysis can be time-consuming. To rapidly prepare solids for spectrophotometric analysis, microwave-assisted acid digestion can be performed on your sample in a sealed Teflon vessel. Let's get started. Experiment 1 will teach you a broad range of analytical skills in 3 hours or less, including how to perform an acid digestion, create solutions at desired concentrations, use a spectrophotometer, interpret instrument results, manipulate your data, and report your scientific findings. At the beginning of the experiment, your vitamin tablet will need to be digested. Once the vitamin tablet and 6 molar hydrochloric acid have been added to the Teflon vessel, make sure to consult your TA with the assembly of the Teflon vessel in the microwave settings for digestion. Once the microwave stops, you'll have to wait 30 minutes for your sample to cool down. To be time efficient, make sure to start preparing your blank and iron standards. Pre-lab calculations will be required to make your iron standard solutions, so complete them before coming to experiment 1. Once your Teflon vessel has cooled down, you'll be able to prepare your unknown iron samples from the digested tablet. To ensure your sample has been quantitatively transferred to a volumetric flask, multiple rinses of the Teflon vessel can be done, followed by a thorough sample cleaning. After some quick filtration and volume transfer steps, your unknown samples will be ready in no time. For all 9 samples you make during experiment 1, a few important reagents must be added to each one, with their experimental purposes being found in the lab manual. I've seen students forget to add them to every flask, and if that happens, you'll have to remake solutions, which nobody likes to do. To minimize error, try introducing one reagent at a time to all of your flasks. Once all 9 samples are prepared, you're ready to analyze them using spectrophotometry. Once you've determined the corrected absorbance readings for all your samples, a calibration curve can be made to determine the concentration of iron in your dilute unknown samples and original vitamin tablet. As always, good luck and stay curious.